Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make columns in Google Docs. So if you want to do this for the whole document, just go ahead and select anywhere. Okay, place your cursor. Go ahead to format. You can come here to columns, and then you can choose. So there's one column, two column, three columns, or you can do more options. If you want, for example, a line between the columns, you can check this one, what spacing you want. I'll go ahead and choose three columns, and then I'll click on apply just to show you. So this is for the entire document. So let's say you only want a certain section. So let me undo this, Control Z, or you can come here to undo, press on this. Let's say these two paragraphs, right? I want to make a column. So I come here, click on format again, go to columns, go to more options. Let's have a line between the columns. Okay, change it to two columns, click on apply. And this is what it looks like, right? And it's really that easy and simple.